Yeah, let us start the session. As usual, let me prepare running notes first. Actually, online team, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? Partners group by. We are going to close that today. And what is the next topic? Group by we are going to close. Joining and merging actually. Joining and merging. File number 48. Date 8. Okay. Now here, comma. Joining and merging. All right. 8. Yeah. All right. So let us start. Currently, we are running with the group by topic. What is the topic name? Group by actually. We do have a data frame. When I'm talking about the data frame, we do have a file. Whenever you are loading the file, we are getting a data frame actually. So now we understand very clearly how to apply common operation like a head method, tail method, info. These are all actually. Among all these, one more important method, group by. What is that one? Group by actually. Good. So keep in mind that whenever you are applying group by, backend 3 operations it performs. How many operation? First one, splitting the data. Second one, applying the operation. Third one, combining the result. One more time, splitting the data, apply an operation. All right. So whenever you are applying group by, online team, is my voice is clear? Can I get a response? Whenever you are applying group by method over the data frame, it returns group by object. It returns what exactly? Keep in mind that in pandas, group by method is available. What is available? Method. So method is available, and group by, talk with me, what exactly? Group by, what is this? Class is available. Whenever you are applying group by method over the data frame, or what exactly? Data frame, it returns group by object. It returns what exactly? Group by object. I hope you connected actually. Am I right? Good. I hope you know this point. A certain group by operations we applied. Yeah, I would like to say this is the general data frame I have taken, product name and orders actually. And first of all, understand the data set. Whenever you need to walk through the data set, spend a time with the data set actually. Data set means data frame. Data set means what exactly? How many columns are available? Assuming that this is the column name is a product actually. How many duplicates are available? How many unique values are available? These are all you need to catch. By this time, you are not a kids actually. We already started pandas discussion. It's the right time. You need to apply all these operations by default. Keep in mind that. Are you clear? Good. Yeah. Applying group by based on what exactly? Products. Based on what exactly? Products. I hope you know this operation. Next one. We are grouping based on customer. We are grouping based on customer. We should not take customer name. We should take mail ID. If you have taken customer name, assuming that Daniel name may contain 2 to 3 persons, may contain what exactly? Then the result will be irrelevant. But mail ID should be unique. Keep in mind that. Am I right? Good. That's why in our data set, I have taken mail ID instead of customer name. Instead of what exactly? Team, are you fine? Good. This is called as a group by based on customer name. Tell me customer mail ID. Tell me one more time. Group by based on mail ID or else customer. Next one. Group by based on product. One more time. Group by based on product actually. Yep. Group by based on product actually. Sir, your name? Data science, right? Daniel batch. Which batch you are looking? Sorry, sir. This is Daniel batch actually. Oh, come on. Welcome. Yep. All right. Let's continue. So this is a kind of group by based on product name. Group by based on what exactly? Product name. All right. Next one, I would like to say very very important, sir. Please observe this one. This you need to understand actually. What you need to understand, Online team. Hold on 1 minute actually. All right. Back to the session. Online team. Let us just try to focus on this one. So here we are applying group by based on date and product name. Based on what exactly? Date and product name. Sometimes the client or else requirement will be, hello boss, I just wanted to know on Monday product on Monday what exactly I need the product wise sales actually. So if you're taking this the so and so date, in this day only one product sold out actually. Can somebody tell me how many products? Only one product. But in this day, do let me know three products. But frankly speaking, what is the count actually? Two plus one plus one. How many products? Four. Seriously, very good. Client will ask this kind of result actually. Keep in mind that. I'm sure till yesterday I covered till here. Am I right? Good. Let me just try to continue. As I told you, I hope you already done the practice actually. Keep in mind that practice matters. What matters? Practice matters. Let us continue. Let me execute this example first. Sir, if anyone join only for today, you guys need to be previous sessions also important. That connectivity is really important. I hope you know how to do that one actually. What exactly we are doing, boss? Can somebody help me? I just wanted to execute this example. What is the step number one, sir? Tell me, talk with me. Import pandas as a PD. One more time. Very good. PD dot read underscore CSV. What is the file name? Sales 5.csv. But file is not available. Then what will get actually? One more time. Very good. Let's run this one. File not found error. Now let me just try to pull the file sales 5.csv. Let me run this one. Good. Yes, we are getting the data frame actually. Am I right or not, sir? Talk with me. How many columns? How many columns? 6 columns. How many rows? 15 rows. I just wanted to know rows and columns actually. What I need to do? Shape. I need a data frame information. What I need to do? Come on, let us apply small basic operations. Before applying, original operation, let us just try to apply shape actually. Can somebody talk with me? Do you think shape is a method or function? One more time. Very good. I hope you know that one actually. I just wanted to know the top 5 rows. What I need to apply? Good. Yeah. All right, sir. Let's move to the discussion. Done. Enough. Let me run this example. So what we done, we are importing the pandas and we are loading the file, and the file I copied in the current directory actually, and successfully we are getting the data frame. What we are getting? All right, let's move on. Now here, what exactly I'm doing, look at the output, sir. Look at output actually. Now, first two, what column name you are getting? Date. Second one is product name. Then do one thing. Let us create a small list data structure. Let us create a small list data structure. Now keep in mind that here what you are giving date and product name, keep in mind that in output also first column is a date, second column is product. If you have given product name here, date here, actually you will get the product name is the first, date is what exactly next actually. Team, are you getting? Good. Now let's continue. What exactly we are applying, df dot, what is this one? Group by method or function? I hope you know what is the difference between method and function actually. df1 dot group by columns we are applying, and here what we are providing, sir? Date we are providing. Don't. Let's just try to apply this one. Now let us just try to print. Let me talk about this object name is a, and let me print what exactly, sir? A actually. Any idea what we are going to get? Very good. One more time. Very nice. Yesterday we already discussed actually. Df error name. How to fix this error? Any idea? Delete one. Yeah. Conclusion of the story, what you need to understand is we created a data frame successfully. This is the data frame. Over this data frame, what we done, I applied group by method. I applied what exactly? Now you can just try to look at my screen. Over this data frame, I applied group by method returns group by object. Group by method returns what object actually? Group by object. Keep in mind that we already covered, these are all discussions actually, right? Kind of small revision. Yesterday I already covered this kind of example. Good. Now here what we need to do, ah now last step actually, grouped over this object. Hey, I just wanted to apply the count. I just wanted to apply what exactly? Count actually. Good. Yeah. Now let us just try to make it, this one is the b, and let me print what exactly, sir? B actually. It's called, what exactly happened, it is also called as a, we are preparing a report. We are preparing what exactly? Report actually. Look at my screen. I would like to say this is the data frame. This is what exactly? Data frame. Client may ask a question, boss, it's a very simple, based on date and product name, based on what exactly? Date and product name, I just need a report actually. Then exactly look at my screen. Successfully we are getting this kind of report actually. Whenever you are looking at this report, you need to think like, yeah. Good. First column name is what exactly, sir? Date. Second one is a product name. And so this is the record so and so date actually. Only one product sold out. How many products actually? One product. Let me take one more date. 09/06/2019. How many products, sir? Three products actually. But you know what? 2 plus 1 plus 1. What is the result? 4. Seriously amazing. That day, four products sold out actually. Did you understand? Let's move on. Remember one thing, sir. Seems to be total result is storing in where exactly? Any idea? Tell me. Series data structure. Keep in mind that the total output is series data structure. What is that one? Series data structure. Good. Let's move on. I hope this we already done yesterday actually. What is the next example? Simple. Previously we applied based on date wise. Based on what exactly? Date wise is actually. Now move on to the next example. Very simple, sir. Look at the output actually. You talk with me. What is this one? Based on product name, right? Now, sir, keep in mind that whenever you are apply group by based on what, first of all you will get a unique values. You will get what values? Unique values actually. Now just try to come here. Kindle paper white, so and so day, 2 times sold out, so and so day, 1 time sold out actually. Samsung mobile, so and so day, 2 times sold out, so and so day, how many times actually? 1 time sold out. It's a very simple. Yeah, the same thing you have to keep it out actually. Take this one. Here the order matters. Now run the example. Online team, are you with me? Harish, you can try and you can apply actually. Let's move on. Let me give 2 minutes introduction. I came across, few new guys joined actually. Few new guys joined actually. Give me 2 minutes. Regular guys actually. Let me explain to them to understand our session. There are fundamentals. Am I right or not, sir? Right? Am I right or not? Good. If anyone joined today, ensure that you should be strong in, to understand today's session, you should be strong. You should be strong in my previous session. What sessions actually? My previous sessions. I mean to say that I prepared in such a way that first one is what exactly, sir? Python. Tell me, first one is a Python. Next, when I'm talking about the Python, first one you should be strong in a function. We already strong in that one actually. Second one will be whoops. When I say whoops, especially class, object, method. Total data science will flow. These are all things only. If anyone joined today, ensure that you should be strong in these three topics actually. If you are strong, then you can connect my sessions actually. If you don't know these are all, I request you go back my previous sessions. Go back what exactly? Previous session. That would be really great helpful for you. Guys, are you getting? I hope you're getting, sir. Am I right or not? Let's move on. Yeah, let's continue. Always look at the output actually. Now you please do let me know. Sir, previously, based on date and product wise, we done the sales actually report. We created a report, and even previously product with what exactly? Data. Now what is this one? Mail id. Simple, sir. Nothing is there. Just here you need to add what exactly? Mail id. Here what we need to add? Mail id. Simple. If you understand one example, you can easy to understand, boss. What is this one? Yeah, if I'm running this example, what is output actually? Good, very good, very good. All right. So based on mail ID, can you please do help me out actually? Daniel, 2 days he done the business. I mean, 2 days he so. I mean, he bought the product actually. So and so day. How many times? Two products he bought it, and so and so day. 10/31/2019. One product actually. Next one, Kedar ji, and Kedar. Let me tell you. Let me give a small introduction. I hope that this is. Let me tell you officially one thing actually. What is that one? Sir, I lent Java course at Amirpet actually. I lent Java course at what exactly? Amirpet in the year of 2010 to 11 in between. And on an average, I do have a 2.5 years gap actually. What is a gap? 2.5 years gap actually. Those days, not only those days, today also trend. I added in that experience. What experience? I do have a gap, right? Then I got a job actually. Then he's the person who is that one actually. You do let me know. Kedar, he supported me. Yes, of course, once we are adding an experience, we'll get a job actually. But in the team, there is a one key person. He plays key role actually, and we have to maintain a good rapport with him actually, so that that guy can support us and help us actually. But we should not reveal as we added in what exactly experience actually. Guys, are you clear? Can I get a response, sir? There are two ways. You can try as a fresher. You can try as what exactly? Fresher. Fresher in the sense, sir, just yesterday I got a certificate from university. I done my graduation. You are eligible as a fresher. You can try as a fresher job. But if you are having at least 6 months gap, how many months gap? 6 months gap, 1 year gap, 2 years gap, 3 years gap. Sir, you are blessed actually. First time a person is telling, if you are having the gap actually, what is that one? Blessed actually. In Telugu, let me tell you. Identra Bobo, gap unte blessed. You are thinking like that, right? Exactly. You can add that experience and you can try actually. That is a trend. If you take 100 members in a software company, on an average 60 members will join like that only, sir. How many members? 60 members actually. And you may, there are a lot of questions for you. Is it legal actually? First of all, there is no law. There is no what exactly? law actually. Are boss, this guy should not enter into the company like this, adding an experience. First of all, there is no law. Anyone can try by adding an experience actually. That is an added advantage in a software company. Are you clear? But we should never ever reveal. If somebody keep knife here also, you added an experience means what is the experience, you have to talk like that actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Yeah, let's move. My voice is not well today, it's okay. If any managers are here actually, how can we add any, sir, separate session? Let me tell you, very good question. Yeah, this is really good question actually. One of our teammate, what our teammate is asking, can somebody tell me how? Sir, I am master in that actually. I mean, I have a big community. I'm a leader in that community. I will suggest you. I will guide you actually. Keep in mind that. Don't worry. Slowly by slowly, I will explain actually. That's called inspiration. How to add an experience actually. Very good. Fine. Let's move on. As of now, today you have to, yeah, listen the session. Now look at the output. Please focus. By looking at the output, you need to understand. Sir, can somebody help me? Previously, can I say Daniel? These 2 days he bought so and so product actually. Am I right? Now, same requirement. We need a Daniel and we need a dates here actually. But we just wanted to know what is the business, how much money he spent actually. What is that one? How much money he spent. Keep in mind that. Then look at the output actually. Daniel, Kindle Paperwhite actually. Can somebody tell me what is the total business? 20,000 rupees he spent. For what product actually? Kindle Paperwhite. What is the next one? Sofa set. How much actually? 50,000. Then what is the total amount? Do let me know. 70,000. This is seriously very good. I would like to say customer wise, how much money he spent. What is this one? Customer wise, how much money he spent actually. Yeah, I hope you understand. This you can do very quickly. Very simple, sir. Mail ID, product name, and here what we need to add actually? Product cost, and here what we need to apply? Sum actually. Keep in mind that mail ID, product name, but here what we need to take it out, product cost actually. Did anyone call? Okay, let's move on. If you done yesterday practice as I told you, then today's session will be very easy actually. Nothing is there, just a syntactically you need to understand. Yeah, good. Just try to come here. Here what we need to apply, sir? Sum we need to apply. Come on, what do you need to change? DF1. Yeah, all right. Now you can see here actually. I would like to say mail ID, product name, and Kindle Paperwhite. How many times actually? I mean to say that how much money I spent for that one? 20,000. Next one is a sofa set. Cross verify. Open the data set. First one. Let me cross verify for the sofa set actually. Where sofa set is available, sir? I need your help. Yeah, sofa set is available. Daniel only. Do let me know what is the total, how much I spent actually? 20,000. Perfectly valid actually. This is called as a validation. Now let us apply for Kindle Paperwhite. What is the next one? Let's just try to cross verify. Kindle Paperwhite. Where is Kindle Paperwhite? Come on, tell me. Fourth one. Yeah, good. How many we do have? 3 we do have. But I just wanted to focus Daniel. This one, Daniel, this one. 10,000 plus 10,000. What is the total? Seriously, very good, sir. It is doing automatically. Seriously, very nice. Did you understand? Good. All right, let's move on. These are all examples you have to execute. I will ask only one question. Tell me. Frankly, tell me, have you done yesterday practice? Tell me, sir. Done, right? Let's move on. Now, look at the output actually. Sir, previously, we got this result in terms of the series format. In terms of what format actually? Series format. Am I right? Hello, Daniel. I don't want this one in a series format. Can I convert this one into the data frame? Can I convert this one into what exactly? Data frame. We can convert actually. What exactly I'm telling, here we are getting the result as a series format, but I need result as a data frame format. data frame format actually. Can we get it actually? We can get it, sir. Copy paste previous example. Just one extra line we need to add actually. What is that line? As underscore index equals to false. What we need to add? As underscore index equals to false. Copy this one. Just try to come here actually. Come to the group by. Here we need to add after columns actually. Just to give a comma. Paste. Now run the example. Please look at my screen. Now I hope you understand very clearly. Compare previous output and this output actually. Now previously Daniel only one time is available, but now just try to come here actually. Daniel, how many times is available? Two times is available. I mean to say that first product to Daniel, second product to Daniel. These are all how much money he spent actually. I hope you understand, sir. What is the syntax we are adding? Here. Can somebody talk with me? As underscore index equals to false. One more time. As underscore index equals to false. Can anyone tell what is that syntax? Very good. What is that syntax? Keyword argument, which is my favorite syntax actually. Yeah. Over this one, can we apply small? Let us just try to apply small. Let's play with the game actually. How many keywords actually? Tell me. How many keywords? Two keywords. What are those? Import and as. How many functions? Tell me, sir. If it is two, tell me one by one. Oh, very good. Next one is a print. That's it. That's it actually. How many methods? Two methods. Tell me method names. Group by. Very good. Like that, you need to recognize how many keywords are available, how many functions are available, how many methods are available. By looking at the code, you need to understand actually how many objects are available. Very nice. Very nice. Tell me what are object names? DF, column, A, B. Perfect, sir. Let's move on. Now, please observe here. You please talk with me. Go back to the previous output. Daniel, 20,000, 50,000. But I need some of these two actually. Then what is the result actually? Tell me. 70. Then if you want that kind of result, then here Daniel 70,000, Kedar 60,000, Nirikshan 50,000. Do let me know who done maximum transactions, sir? Daniel and Shahid. Who done minimum transaction? Yeah, exactly. How much actually? Who stands in second place? Prasad, right? Am I right or not, sir? 50,000, right? Sorry, sir. Will you beat or what exactly? Kedar, who stands in second place? Kedar, actually. Very good, very good. Let's execute this one. Let us just try to load the file. Whenever you are loading the file, it returns what exactly? Data frame. And yes, columns equals to mail ID. Group by. Here we need to apply, just a name of the column. And a product cost. What is this one? Product cost actually. And here we need to apply sum method. Now just try to come here. Take this one. We are just trying to loading the file. Good. Let us print the data frame. In another 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to start the new topic actually. In another 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, we are getting this kind of, this is the data frame. Now the IND output will be, let us take a Daniel. Here Daniel is available, Daniel is available, Daniel is available. I just wanted to know sum of the amount, how much total he spent actually. Daniel, can somebody help me? 10,000. Next one, Daniel, how much actually? 10,000 total. 20,000. One more time, Daniel is available. Next one is a, sir, even counting like this taking so much time. Instead of that, what we can do, we can apply group by. We can apply what exactly? Group by. Now just try to come here. Create a, first of all, variable. Yeah. Next one will be, we are by using this object name. By using this object name, we need to call a method. Method name is a group by. Group by of So this name of the column we are providing, and according to the syntax, I hope yesterday I already explained why we need to provide like that actually. Think like a exactly. I hope I no need to explain. Yesterday we spent really decent time actually. Print of a dot sum. Yeah. Instead of that one, you can make it a actually. Why I'm changing name of the variables? You can feel like we can give anything actually. Yeah, let us just try to maintain some space actually in between the outputs. Very good. Nice. The last one. Simple, sir. What is the minimum product actually? 25,000 LG washing. What is the maximum product? I need product name, sir. iPad actually. Very good. If you need this one, simple. Here instead of previously what we added actually here, mail ID. Previously what we added, instead of that one, what we need to add here actually? That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Take this one. If you understand one example, other examples will be just name of the column is change actually. Apart from that, nothing. And here, now just execute the example. All right, now just try to see. Previously, customer wise, how much money he spent. Now, product wise, how much is sold out actually. Right. So, Kindle Paperwhite 40,000, LG washing machine 25,000. These are all things actually, sir. Okay. Day wise product sales actually. At the same thing, like I just wanted to know on which day, which I mean, the business will be 15,000. This is the minimum so and so day. 1 lakh. This is the so and so day actually. We can get it like this. Can you help me on which one we need to change actually here? Here, what we need to do? Date. Apart from that, nothing. Did you understand? First, we provided mail ID. Next, we provided product name. Product name or product cost? Next one, what we are providing? Date actually. Take this one and you can just try to apply here. Yeah. These are all examples you need to practice, sir. Please. Next one. What is the next method? Describe. Method name is a describe actually. And you can call describe method. But this method I can cover during what exactly? No? During math actually. So we do have a math topic. During math topic I can cover. Especially here, along with the describe, you are going to understand one more point actually. What is the point? 5-number summary. What is the point? 5-number summary. During math I can cover actually. As of now, you can ignore this discussion. Do you think I'm going speed actually? No, right? You are able to connect, I guess. Good. Next one. Sir, this is a seriously interesting. Please focus. Let's understand this one. Last two examples. Then we can close the discussion. Last two examples, we can close the discussion. What is the first column name? Date. Second column name? Third column name? Product cost. It's a simple. Now, so and so date 09/01/2019. This is the product name. What is the product name? iPad. Product cost. iPad cost is what exactly? 70,000. Next one, LG washing machine. What is the cost? 25,000. Now, so and so day. Understand this one, sir. Then you can understand all other stuff actually. 09/06/2019. First product. What is the business? 30,000. Next one, sofa set. What is the business? 50,000. iPhone. What is the business? Yeah, sir. Please understand the code actually. Bit important. Please focus on this. This result, how we are getting, there is a one topic. The topic name is a AGG method. What method? AGG method. It is also called as a aggregate method. What method? Aggregate method. First of all, let me explain. Focus, please. I will explain slowly by slowly. I will explain. Please focus. Yeah, we are getting a data frame. We are getting a data frame. Very good. Once we are getting this data frame, the next operation will be, please focus on this one. What exactly we are doing, Can somebody help me? What exactly I'm doing? Any idea? Everyone tell me. We are creating a dictionary. In a dictionary, what is the product cost? Tell me. Something like a key. What is the sum actually? Value. What is the sum? Value. Let us spend here some time. Take this one. Go back and just try to come here. Understand, sir. Understand the topic actually. Let me create a dictionary. And here I would like to say, in between double quote, name, and in between double quote, Daniel. And something like a salary. Column, $10,000 actually. $45, something like that. Can I say this is the dictionary? Good. Print of what exactly? Dictionary. Pure Python syntax. Am I right? Good. How many keys would you have? What is the first one? Name. Next one? Salary. How many values? Very good. Take this one. I hope you know this example. But let me tell you a small point today actually. What is that point? Sir, in Python programming language, there is a one function. Function name is called as a sum. Function name is called as what exactly? Sum actually. What you can do, So here, instead of 10,000 or else instead of Daniel, I mean to say that where all value is available, instead of value, you can specify name of the function. You can specify what exactly? You may ask, what is the required actually? Hold on, I will tell you. First of all, try to understand me. This one is the key, this one is the value. In value position, 10,000.45 is accepted. Allowing actually. Are Daniel, instead of 10,000 actually, can I provide some predefined function name? You can provide. You can provide actually. Just the name of the function. What is that one? Name of the function. Now, come here. You can execute this example. Now, please observe the output actually. Seriously interesting, sir. First of all, you need to understand this point actually. Okay. What is the key actually? Name. What is the one more key? Salary. What is the first value? Daniel. What is the second value? Function name. What is that one? First of all, did you understand this syntax? I mean to say that a dictionary for the value, it is allowing name of the function. It is allowing what exactly? Name of the function. Did you understand? Good. Now you will understand actually. Predefined function in Python. Predefined function in Python. Good. Let me write one more time. D equals to, just for your better understanding, I would like to say first one is key 1 and the second one is what exactly? Value 1, comma, second one is a key 2. Next one is what exactly? Tell me, sir. Instead of value 2, can I apply something like that actually? Talk with me, boss. Yeah, we can provide. Now execute the same example. Just try to observe the output. Did you understand? Yeah. Go back to the code. You can easy to understand. Be strong in Python. Be strong in Python actually. Now exactly. I am taking a one key. What is that key actually? Product. Somewhere we have seen, right? Product cost. Name of the column in a data frame. What is that one? Name of the column in a data frame. Hold on this one actually. Then COLS equals to, we are creating a list of two strings actually. What is the first one? Date. Next one is a product name. And here df1 dot group by, df1 dot what exactly? Group by column names we are providing. Can anyone help me? What is this object name actually? Group by object. Sir, by using this group by object, we are calling a method. What is that method? Aggregate. For that aggregate method, we are providing parameter as a dictionary. For that aggregate method, we are providing parameter as what exactly? Dictionary. Now, in dictionary, what is available? Hey, boss, go to the product cost and you can apply what exactly? Sum over this product cost. Go to the product cost and you can apply sum over this product cost actually. Come on, understand this code. You need to spend some time. First of all, importing the library, loading the data set, creating a data frame, creating a dictionary. Three things: importing the library, loading the data set, created a dictionary. 3 steps we executed successfully. Good. Yes. Move on to the next one. We are creating a list of strings actually. Yeah, this line is valid actually. CYLS equals to data, name of the column from the data frame. Product name, name of the column from what exactly? Data frame actually. Now let us just try to apply group by. What we need to apply, sir? Group by. Now just try to come here. A equals to df1 dot. Can somebody help me? Group group by, and here what I need to apply? Very good, columns. Now b equals to a dot. What I need to apply? Agg of, sir, here instead of a, let me take something like, p actually. This one is what exactly? P. Anything you can take. And this one is what exactly? That's it, sir. Cinema over actually. Let us just try to run this one. What happened? D. Yeah. Any changes? Perfectly all right, sir. Perfectly all right, actually. One small suggestion I will give you. Only for this topic. Whenever you are working with the group by, first of all, always understand the output. What we need to understand? Understand the output actually. Once you are be clear with the output, you will understand how to write the code actually. Guys, are you getting or not, sir? It's a simple. Understand the output first actually. Now, next one is the last example. Here you need to understand one point actually. What is that point, Sir, this point is a bit important. Please focus. First of all, can somebody help me? We are importing the pandas. This function is coming from pandas. Am I right? Good. This method is coming from pandas. This method is coming from what exactly? Pandas actually. Very good. Now you need to understand. This is the coming, this is the function not coming from pandas. It is coming from Python. One small notation I am telling. Whenever you are specifying, if no double quote, if no what exactly? No double quote, this is coming from Python. This is coming from what exactly? Python actually. Whenever you are specifying within double quote something, then that is coming from pandas. That is coming from what exactly? Why I'm telling this point, next example is that one only. Look at my output one more time. I'm telling what exactly I'm telling, here for the dictionary, we provided a function name without a double quote, then it will come from Python. It will come from what exactly? Go back to the next example. Now just try to see. Sum is coming from Python. Count is coming from pandas. That point, damn sure interview question, man. Look at my screen actually. During interview, they may ask like, this is what and this is what. Simple. You need to tell, Array boss, this is the function name coming from Python. This is the method name coming from pandas actually. This is the method name coming from what exactly? That's it. Let me just try to look at the output here actually. You know what? Whenever you're looking at this one, you need to understand like this actually. 70,000 business happened because of this single product. 25,000 business happened because of what exactly? Single product. Kindle Paperwhite, 30,000 rupees business happened because of what exactly? Two products actually. That part you need to understand. This is the last example. Then get ready for the claps actually. Simple, sir. Just try to come here. Change the dictionary name. First one, over product cost. Let us apply sum. Over product name. Let us apply count. Let us apply what exactly? Come on, come on. Let us run this one. For you guys, my best suggestion will be, sometimes you may get a kind of some warnings actually. These are all warnings. Warnings I will tell you, ignorable. But I will tell you how to fix actually. During project, I will help you. Sometimes whenever you are executing output, you will get a warning. If you get a warning, immediately you can get the output also. Yeah, let me tell you. Whenever you are working in a data science project or else a Python pandas actually, you will get a two things, man. First one is warning. First one is what exactly? Warning. Warning always get the output actually. Will get the output. Next one is the error. Next one is what exactly? Sir, if error, tell me. No output, sir. No output actually. Now let me tell you. During project discussion, I will tell you how to fix. How to fix actually during Hey, warnings means it's very simple, sir. Since my childhood actually, my mother always used to give a warnings actually. At what time, I used to go for playing cricket actually. I hope once we started the game, then we may forget the time also. Whenever we are reaching to the home, who will stand first actually? Mother. And what she will tell? I will beat like anything if you are coming late actually. Will you listen, sir? Will think it's okay, something like that. Mother warnings always what exactly? Ignorable. We can take light actually. I'm sorry for getting. Whenever you are getting a warning, ignorable. We can ignore actually. Why? Because we are getting what exactly? Output. Even I will tell you why we are getting warnings. Small, what exactly? Pandas updates actually. Backend package will be getting update because of that one. Sir, if there is no output, serious concern. You have to fix that error actually, right? Let's move on. Now, exactly we are getting output. So and so product, so and so thing. These are all done, sir. Let me talk with online team. This example, it is okay, ignorable, not much important. Look at the output actually. Simple. Product cost, minimum value, maximum value, sum, and 10,000 minimum value, maximum value 15,000. 15,000 products two times sold out actually. That's what 30,000 is the business. 20,000. Do let me know how many times actually. Tell me, sir. Four times actually. How many times? If you want, you can go for the data set. 20,000 products, four times are available. How many times? Four times are available. Then you will understand like this actually. This is not much important. You can still ignore actually. Yeah, I would like to say we done this group by topic. What topic actually? Group by topic. One small suggestion, group by, you have to practice and understand the syntax matters. What matters? Syntax. Please focus on this. Now we are entering into next topic. How to get person's data? Sir, you can get it actually. We are not able to stop you when we are having a question. Sriram sir, what is your question? We can pull the data by applying single column. I hope yesterday I already explained actually previous sessions. We can apply based on conditions. We can pull the data actually. Let's move on to the discussion. All right, let's continue. Common. Now the next topic name is a joining or merging. What is the next topic actually? Go back to the index. Can I close this status? Can I change the status? We done this one. Now this, what is the topic? Running topic. What is the next topic? Concatenation. Upcoming topic. Adding, dropping rows and columns. Adding, dropping rows and columns actually. All right, let's continue with this. We done these are all things actually. I hope you know. Come on, tell me. Topic number 17, pandas data frame. What is the topic? Merging or joining, also called as a joining or merging actually. Good, sir. Till, keep in mind that, please focus, important actually. If anyone joined today, I'm sure you guys can understand actually. But group by in between you join, right? I may not give guarantee. Why? Because the flow really matters actually. But now the new topic we can easy to understand. Please focus. Till 16th chapters actually. We played with a single data frame. We played with what exactly? Single data frame. I mean to say that I have loaded the single CSV file and we are getting a one data frame. We are getting what exactly? One data frame. We applied operations. Head method we applied, tail method we applied, rename method we applied, sort underscore values you applied. Tell me one method name, sir. Group by we applied actually. Am I right or not? Yeah. Now, what exactly we doing? In 17th topic, we are trying to playing with two data frames. We are trying to creating a two data frames and we are applying the operation over the two data frame. Are you getting everyone? Right. Now the topic name is joining or merging. To join the data frame, two data frames required. For the joining operation, two data frames required. For the merging operation, two data frames required. Team, are you with me? Good. Let's move on. Let's continue. Now, what is a joining? What is a merging? I will tell you slowly by slowly. Good. Introduction. First of all, you need to understand one more point also. What is the point? Joining or merging. This topic belongs to database. This topic belongs to what exactly? Database actually. Even I'm going to cover a kind of one database, MySQL actually. When I'm talking about the database, it's a very simple, it's a kind of software. It's a kind of what exactly? Software to store the data. To store what exactly, sir? To store the data in terms of table format. In terms of what format actually? Table format. Database is a software. By using that, companies will store the data in a tabular format. Companies will store the data in what exactly? Table format. One of the famous query, whenever you're talking about the database, the terminology really matters actually. In a database, what we need to call, query actually. Yeah. If you're from academic background, there is a famous query actually. What is a query? Select star from, don't you know? Table or something like that actually. Okay. That anyway you can ignore. Conclusion of the story. Joining or merging, it is the topic belongs to database. It is the topic belongs to what exactly? Database. Now do let me know the same topic we are going to implement by using pandas. By using what exactly, sir? Pandas. So if you wanted to apply joining or merging, two data frames required. How many data frames required? Two data frames. Are you getting your one? Good. Let me drink water. We can use any files actually. Tarani, we can use any files, but as of now, CSV file is a more convenient. That's what we are using the same files actually. Yeah, now we are going to create data frame number one, data frame number two. In between, we are applying what operations, sir? Joining operation. Are you ready? Come on, let us just try to work on this one. Understand the theory slowly by slowly. First of all, understand the theory. By using pandas, we can perform join operation as well. Why I'm adding this one? Basically, this is the same as a join operation is in a database actually. Any one of you may ask a question. Array Daniel, I don't know the database. Is there any problem? There is no problem at all. You no need to be master in a database actually. Let me tell you. If you wanted to become as a data scientist, if you wanted to become as a data scientist, there are a few topics you need to be master actually. What is the first topic name? Python. Second one is a pandas. Third one is a machine learning. Fourth one is a deep learning. These are all things we are going to cover. Next topic name is a NLP. What do you mean by NLP? Natural language processing. These are all mandatory topics. These are all what exactly? Mandatory topics. There are optional topics also we do have. Optional actually. What do you mean by optional topics? Database. What is optional topic? Database. Let me tell you one point actually. When I was giving interview, even there was a common question. What is the question? They supposed to start when I was giving interview for the data scientist. They supposed to start the interview from the Python, pandas, ML, deep learning, NLP. These are all things actually. Unfortunately, assuming that one guy asked a question, that question is related to the database. Question is related to what exactly? database actually. He's asking what is the views in a database. What is my reply? Immediately I told, boss, first of all, I'm a data scientist. My main role is creating a models. Creating what exactly? Models, but not a database developer. But not what exactly? Sir, during interview, if anyone is asking database actually, even if you know database, don't show your heroism. Unfortunately, if you are very good in database, what they will done, they will recruit you. They will push you into database project. They will push you into what exactly? Database project actually. Whenever I'm talking about the software company, they do have a data science projects. They do have a database projects as well. If they came across you are very good in a database actually, that's what we should understand, where to good, where we need to focus, and where we need to ignore actually. Are you getting your one? Good, I hope you're getting. This is optional. And this one, next one is, data visualization tool. Data visualization tool actually, yeah, during interview I reply like, I have an idea regarding the database, but I'm not expert actually. Out of 10, I myself can rate actually 3.5 out of 10. How much actually? Indirectly we are asking, stop asking db questions. We should not tell directly actually, but indirectly we need to tell, don't ask db questions actually. How you can tell, I'm not expert in db, but I'm a guy who is a model creation actually. I used to do the model creation. These are all things. Okay, keep in mind that. So why I covered that point? Uh, you no need to be understand about the database, but as part of our session, I'm going to cover one database actually. You will understand what is a database. These are all things. Here we are performing join in between. What exactly, sir? As I told you, if you wanted to apply join operation, how many data frames? Two. If you want, you can apply in three data frames also. You can apply in what exactly, sir? Three data frames. Joining is the process of bringing two data frames into one data frame. Joining is the process of what exactly? Bringing two data frames into one data frame. Assuming that, sir, this is one data frame and this is another data frame. And what exactly we can, df1, and this is the df1, df2 actually. In between, let us just try to apply joining operation. What operation, sir? Joining operation actually. Then finally we are going to get a new data frame. We are going to get what exactly? New data frame. That's point you need to understand. Whenever you are applying joining operation in between two data frames, we'll get a new data frame. We'll get what exactly? New data frame. Keep in mind that joining is the process of bringing two data frames into one data frame based on common attributes. Come on. Now I hope you need to talk actually. In pandas, what are all methods we covered actually? Pandas, methods in pandas. Methods in data frame actually. Data frame. And why? Because, today also, during the joining and merging, either we are going to work with functions or method. I can cover actually. Can somebody tell me what are all methods we covered? Are you ready? Get ready. What is the first method? Oh, slowly by slowly we'll go with order actually. What is the first one? Head. Next one? Tail. Next one? Leg method. Do you have? No, sir. Next one is a info method. Next one? Very good. Describe method. What is the next one? Huh? I already written, sir. Yeah. Any other method? Count. Df dot is na dot. Yeah. Hold on. Df dot is na dot sum actually. Sir, tell me one by one. What is the next one? Df dot drop na. Very good. Df dot drop na. Can I say in place parameter? Keep in mind that. Very, very important actually. Next one is df dot fill na. Very good, man. Next one is df dot replace. Very good. Next one is df dot rename. Can I say df dot rename of what exactly? Sir, please don't ask question. At least one method. What is na? What is drop na? We already covered actually. In 1947, we started this batch and we are keep on learning actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now, tell me a few more methods. Come again. Oh, very good. Set what exactly? Underscore value. Oh, set index. Very good. Set index here parameter is required. Next one is a df dot sort underscore values. Very good. Next one is df dot sort underscore index. Next one df dot what exactly? Group by. Conclusion of the story. What is the moral of the story? Do let me know. We need to be strong in methods. We need to be strong in what exactly? Learning pandas means learning methods. Learning what exactly? Each and I do have a nice document. Each method, what is the purpose? What is the result? What is the output? I do have a nice document actually. I will share you. That is called as a cheat sheet actually. I will share you definitely. During interview, damn sure this is a very common question. Do let me know during data analysis what are all you applied means ask one paper actually. Then you can write I used to apply these are all methods actually. The one who asked a question he will learn, oh we can answer like this also. Are you getting or not, sir? Important actually. Keep in mind that. One let me tell you. I'm not sure either I told this one with you or not actually. In 2018, can I take 2 minutes actually? Yeah. When I was in Bangalore, basically my base location is a Bangalore actually. I was giving interview. I was giving what exactly? Interview. I applied for one interview. My profile got shortlisted actually. That might be Monday. And Monday interview got scheduled. I went for interview. Then interview started. Sir, in my resume, frankly speaking, I'm very good in 3 programming languages. I'm very good actually, right? The first one is a Java. First one is what exactly? Java. 1 minute, hold on. Is it working? Okay. First one is Java. Second one is Scala programming language. Third one is a Python. Third one is what exactly? Python. Good. So the company I'm giving interview, so that company having the project, their requirement will be, they do have a Java project. They're planning to what exactly? Migrate to Python. Migrate to what exactly? Python. Yes. If you implement one project with one programming language, you can migrate with other programming language actually. The requirement is that one. Then to do this one, definitely one person is required. That person, he should know what exactly? Java and Python. Knowing Java and Python combination is a very rare combination. A person knows Java and Python is a very rare combination actually. Yeah, fortunately our profile got picked out actually. Then during interview, who is taking interview, Java guy. Who is taking interview? Let me tell you, I'm sorry for telling this point actually. Java people having kind of some attitude actually. Even I do have a, when I was working as a Java developer, later I came across. Then one person, he picked my profile and he have seen 3 things actually. What is this? What is these things? Then he cross question. Oh, you know 3 programming languages? What are those things actually? Tell me. Java. Next one is Scala. I'm not sure whether you heard or not. Scala is advanced to Java. We are very good in that actually, right? Then he asked only one question, man. Let me tell you. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Java people having attitude, man. I'm sorry for getting. Why? Because they thought like they are the universal creators, they are the programmers, something like that actually. But actually, that is not like that. Good. Let me tell you. Actually, heroes are data scientists. Who is that one? Data scientist. Yeah, come out from that one. Then that guy asked a question. What is the question? Very, very tricky question. I thought like he will start the technical discussion, but what he started, which programming language you like actually? What is the question? Tell me. Which programming language you like actually? If I told I like Java, then what you will tell, then why you learned Python actually? But if I told I like Python, then he will tell why not Java? Tell me the difference actually. Right? What is the question? Do let me know. Which programming language you like actually? What is my response? I have taken spontaneously. I have taken 1 minute and reply like sir, I love Java, but married Python. What is that one actually? Married Python actually. Frankly speaking, I love Java. That I'm sorry for getting that guy laughed like anything, and that day I got selected for the interview actually. Sir, conclusion of this story: learn how to talk during interview. The way how you are managing is seriously amazing actually. My answer is seriously. After interview, I laughed my hey, how I nicely replied actually. I love Java. Why? Because literally speaking, I started my career from the Java actually. You don't know one thing actually. Learning Java is too difficult, man. I cried a lot actually. On an average, 8 months I learned. How long time? 8 months I learned actually. When I was shifting from Java to Python, you know what? On an average 20 days, it was fighting in my inner feeling. Hey, am I really taking nice decision? Why? Because leaving Java is not a joke, man. I left Java because of the Python. Then in my company I got a great opportunity. Hey boss, we are going to working in a Python project. Then my manager told, actually, when I was a Java programmer, my manager brought one Python project. Actually, he asked me, can you please work in a Python? Then on an average 2 days discussion, 2 days meeting with my manager, I told, I used to reject, I don't want Python. Then my manager told, hey, just work with 1 or 2 months, actually, then you can come back of, you can come back from, Python to what exactly Java. I don't like Python. I entered, actually. Same, literally speaking. When I started working Python, man, I came to know many things, actually. There are many pitfalls in Java. There are limitations in Java. All these limitations are overcoming Python, actually. That too, Python is a user friendly, man. Python is what exactly? If you are having your kids, you can bring to the session during my Python session. I'm sure if you are having any doubt, your kids can solve, actually. Did you understand? Python is very easy, actually. Conclusion of what is my response? Tell me. I love Java, but what exactly? Married to Python. I like both, actually, sir. It's okay. It's why I brought this discussion. I forgot, actually. Yeah, yeah. All right. Let's move to the discussion. Good. Let's keep continue. What is the topic name, sir? Tell me. Merging and joining. Good. Yeah, simple, sir. We are going to working with one function. What is that function name? Merge. What is that function name? Merge, actually. I will tell you. Damn sure enter a question. Merge is not a method. Merge is a function. Read underscore CSV is not a method. Read underscore CSV is a function. You should know very clearly, actually. I'm sorry. Let me tell you a few things. PD dot read underscore CSV. This is function. This is not a very good, not a method. Df dot head method. Tell me, you talk with me. This is method. This is not a function. Damn sure enter your question. You should know the difference between what is a function and what is a method. I'm sure you are the master in that one, actually. Am I right or not, sir? Sir, you should not pronounce read underscore CSV is a method. No, 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 no. If you are pronouncing read underscore CSV is a method, indirectly, sorry for saying, did I explain how to prove, actually? Did I explain how to prove? Good, good. Let me prove practically. Hold on. Just give me 1 minute, actually. What is the time? Can I take 2 minutes? Is it fine? Can I take 2 minutes? Good. Let me tell you. In a Python level, let us just try to use print. Print is a, it is function. It is what exactly? Function. You tell me. It is not a method. I will prove practically. Next one. S dot upper. Any idea what is that one? Very good. It is method. Tell me. It is not a function. Let me prove practically. Any one of you may ask a question. Hey, prove practically. Sure, sir. Practically, kindly prove, actually. How to prove, Damn sure interview questions, sir. If I'm taking this kind of, if I'm taking interview, I will ask this kind of questions, actually. Print. Hello. Tell me what is output? Very good. Output will be what exactly? Hello. Come back. Desktop. All right. What is output, actually? Hello. Do one thing. Print of, just to use print. Print of what exactly? Just to use print. What exactly we're doing, I just wanted to know what is the nature of print function. Now, generally this like this, we never write in real time. Now, this is the way we can print. What is that one, Tell me, sir. It is a built-in function. What is the function name? Print, but not method. But not what exactly? Like this we can prove. If anyone is asking, prove print as a function. print of print. Like this you can prove. Are you guys getting or not? Now let me prove one more thing. S equals to something like, so Daniel, I just wanted to get into uppercase, sir. I just wanted to get into what exactly? Uppercase. Tell me S dot upper. Now upper is what exactly? One more time. Last time. Let's run this. Yeah, we are getting what exactly? Daniel. Nothing is there, sir. Just delete the parenthesis. Execute this example. Seriously, super discussion. Print, it is a function. Upper, it is a method in str. Like this we need to prove practically. Damn sure interview question, keep in mind that. Actually, did you understand everyone? All right, this you can ignore. Sounds address actually. Okay, let me drink water. Online team, can I get a response, sir? Are you getting? Not, I don't know. I thought, let me tell you a small difference. You might aware about difference between Java and Python actually. Let me tell you where Java is master. Yes, of course, Java is the master to create a web application. To create what exactly? Web application actually. Web application. I hope you know what do you mean by web application. Amazon.in is the web application. Facebook.com is the web application. All websites what are you are opening, those are all called as a web application. If you wanted to become as a web developer, I'll say full stack developer, you need to learn front end, back end, middleware. Actually, Java is master in that. No one cannot beat actually. Now it's a right time you need to understand. uh, Java is not good at data science. Not good at what exactly? I will tell you the reason also. I will tell you the reason also. Hold on. Whenever you're talking about the Python, sir, Python is master in. Python is what exactly? Master in data science. Data what exactly? Science. Sir, once the data science came into the market, Python became so strong actually. Data analytics, these are all things actually. And I'm talking about the Python. Python having lot of libraries. Lot of what exactly? What do you mean by library? Best example. I do have a CSV file. I do have what exactly? CSV file. I wanted to apply data analysis operation. Load the pandas package. Load what exactly? Like this, Python having lot of libraries. Do you wanted to process CSV file? Go for pandas. Do you wanted to process image file? Go for the computer vision. OpenCV. Like this, lot of packages would you have, but Java don't have these many packages. Java don't have what exactly? These many packages actually. Guys, are you clear? Good. Hope you're understanding that. Not much important, but you should understand. All right. This theory you can ignore as of now. I will tell you. I will tell when it is required actually. I will come back here and I will explain actually. Sir, this is a bit important. There are mainly four types of joins. There are mainly how many types of joins actually? Four types of joins. First one is a inner merge, you can also call. Next one is a inner join. Next one is what exactly? Inner join or kinder join, sir? Inner join actually. Next one is a left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. My brother having kids actually. When I used to go to the shop along with them, they will ask kinder join actually. Yeah. Read one more time. Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. You can still also call inner merge, left merge, right merge, and outer merge actually. One by one, practically we'll see. Are you ready? Are you ready? Good. Repeating again, this I can cover later. Intentionally, I'm skipping actually. I can cover later. Get ready. Okay. Sir, inner join means what exactly? No? Assuming that, yeah, intersection. Kind of some common activities actually. Kind of what exactly? Some common activities. I mean to say that. Let me take. Let us take a list. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. B equals to. Do let me know. I'm taking 10, 20, 5. Next one is 60, 80 actually. Can somebody help me? What is the common values? Very good, sir. What is the common value? 5. Very good. Let me draw a diagram. Focus, please. Important. Where is the pen, sir? Let us create two circles. I would like to say this is the one circle, this is the another circle, this is the another circle. Can somebody help me? How many elements? 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. I would like to say this is the one, next one is a 2, next one is a 3, next one is a 4, next one is a 6. Very good. Let us just try to write here what exactly? 5. Very good. Next one is what exactly? 10, 20, 60, 80. Tell me. 10, 20, 60, 80. Can I write 80 here actually? No, I would like to say this point is called as a inner join, also called as a intersection. The common values. What is the values? Common values actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. We'll see how to perform this kind of operation. We'll see step by step actually. I will explain. As of now, ignore the theory. This one also you can ignore. This one also you can ignore. Go to the example in a straight away. Understand the data frames. It's a very simple. I'm creating a 2 data frames. What is the time? 6:47. I will explain. Come on, look at my screen. We are creating a 2 data frames. First 2 data frame having the 3 columns. What are those columns? ID, name, subject. Second data frame also having the same name of the column. Of course, it can have a different name of the columns also. That is fine. ID, name, subject actually. In a first data frame, the student ID is first student 1 to 6. Very good. What is the name? Pradhan, Venu, Madhurima, Nirikshan, Shafi sir, Viru. Pradhan, he joined to learn what exactly? English. Venu, join for Java. Madhurima, HTML. Nirikshan, Python. Shafi sir, Viru, .NET actually. Very good. And this is the batch number 1. Assuming that batch number 1. This is the batch number 2. ID 11 to 16. Name Srinu, Sumant, Neelima, Daniel, Arjun, Viru. Something you are seeing twice actually. What is that one? Nice, good catch. Hold on. Hold with your anxiety actually. Okay, there is a Viru. Here also he is available. Here also he is available. It is okay, cool. Next one. Srinu joined for? Sir, tell me, sir. Now you tell me. Among these 2 data frames, if I say Java, how many members? Very good. What is the first person? Venu. Next one. That's what we are going to get the output actually. Get ready. Now I'm going to take the subject as a common column. If I say Java, I need 2 result. Venu and what exactly? Srinu. If I say HTML, you talk with me. Madhurima and Suman. If I say CPP, only one. Very good. What is that value? Neelima. I hope you almost understand actually. Any questions? Hold on. Daniel. If I say Python, do let me know. Nirikshan and Daniel actually. First of all, let us create a how many data frames? 2 data frames. I hope you know how to create a data frames. Get ready. Get ready actually. Let me create a data frames. Import the pandas package. We are using dictionary. We are using what exactly? Dictionary to create a data frame. I would like to say D1 now id equals to 1 to 6. Okay, id equals to what exactly, sir? 1 to 6. Can I say first key? What is the first key? Id 1 to 6 actually. Good. Next key will be, let us take name. Let us take what exactly? Name. I hope you know how to create a data frame. I mean, by using dictionary actually. Am I right or not, sir? We already learned actually. Next one is a subject. Very easy. Very easy. We can create like this. Yeah, dictionary having 3 keys actually. First one is a id, name, subject. Very good. Same thing like that. Let me create a one more dictionary. Let me create what exactly? One more dictionary. Come on, come on. D2. Sir, by this time you should know one point actually. What is that point? Can I give this one as a capital D? No. As per the naming convention, variable name should be lowercase. Variable name should be what exactly? Lowercase actually. Yeah, let's just try to move on. Now take this one. Next one is name. Next one is subject. We are trying to creating a two data frames. Please don't think like I'm not typing the code actually. So just to save the time, don't think like I'm master in typing. I'm master in typing actually. Please don't think like that. df1 equals to pd dot data frame of what exactly, sir? D1. Very good. Copy paste df2. We are creating this. What exactly? D2. Very good, sir. Now are you ready? Can I print the df1 and df2? df1 and next one is what exactly? df2. Get ready. Let us just try to print df1 and df2. Yeah, this is the code. Now execute the output. Yes, two data frames created successfully. How many data frames? Two data frames. What exactly we are doing, go for the paint. Let us take the first data frame. We are trying to joining this data frame. We are trying to joining this data frame. Take this one and go for the second data frame. We are joining these two data frame by using subject column, and we are going to get a nice results actually. Just try to see. In between these two data frames, we are going to apply joining operation. What operation? Then finally we are going to get a new data frame. Finally we are going to get what exactly? New data frame. New data frame. Can I continue tomorrow? Is it fine? Yeah, good. This I can continue tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow session. Tomorrow what is the agenda? We are going to close the joining. Very simple. Next one, we are going to close concat also. Maybe tomorrow two topics I'm targeting. We'll see accordingly. Okay. Total pandas, how long time it takes? Tomorrow 1 day. Check 2 days, 3 4 days. Sir, another 4 days required. Another 4 sessions is required. Once we done all these sessions, we are entering into the data analysis project, which is a real-time project actually. But ensure that to enter into the data analysis project, you should be master in pandas. Master in the sense, you need to done practice for the all previous topics actually. Are you getting? Good. Let me upload the material. Online team, we done for today's session. Good. Let me take this one. Let me stop recording.